Welcome back to Noob with Tech. I am Noob. In there is tech that we're going to work with. This is other tech I might make a video of tonight. A little different. But tonight I'm going to be messing with the screen of touch all in one. This is all one thing. It's a all-in-one PC. I think it even it even has a keyboard that works with Linux Mint, which is pretty cool. But the Linux Mint Cinnamon edition doesn't really work as good as I would like in this thing. It's got an i3 in it. I'll log in and show you what it has in it. All right, so this is the Dell Inspiron 20 model 3048. Yeah, that, and it's touchscreen. Touchscreen is fully compatible with Linux, which is cool. Everything works. Nothing doesn't work. It's got 8 gigs of RAM. It's got a hard drive, a HDD in it. This is not an SSD. It's got a 4th gen i3. Runs at a 2.9 gigahertz. It runs okay. It's not terrible, but it could run better. I mean, what the hell? I could always just go back to it if I don't like it. But I'm gonna try something different. I've been watching a lot of videos about Zorin OS, and I was gonna do the Zorin OS Lite, but that's not really a thing anymore, I guess. So you could download Core, and Core is supposed to work with older hardware as well. So I actually already have it downloaded on here, and if this doesn't work good, I don't know why I downloaded Ubuntu on here too, because I already have it on the pad of thought and prayer. And yeah, so I'm gonna open up the etcher of Balena, and yeah, we're gonna flash this thingamabob with oh, you know what, we're gonna try something new. What are you doing? You need to go back to work and make me money. This having weekends off working as a teacher, bullshit. No, I'm just kidding. I think it's like a few terabyte, 2 terabyte keychain thingy I got from AliExpress. It came with the terabyte SD cards. Also, I found some SSDs for like $10 for 128 gigs and $18 for a 256. And so those will be here in probably 6 months from now, because you know, China. But if those come in a reasonable amount of time to where I can still find those, I might get more of them, because those things are man, hard to come by. Those things are cheap. I just hope they work. All right. Okay, so we've got our keychain stick in there. Oh, what the heck? Liars. Yeah, this thing was advertised. I'll pull up the listing. This thing was advertised as a terabyte, but I mean, it was only like $1. So we'll get this flashing. We'll put our password. If you can hear the faint sounds of a knockoff Tyler Perry movie, don't mind that. Anyways, we'll let this do its thing, and then we'll be back. Look, okay, I guess no, I'm just a dodo head. I guess it was all me. Whatever, man. Wait, hold on. Now, I don't know if it's the computer, the internet, or this flash drive. This shit's taking forever. I mean, literally, this has been going for like 20 minutes already. And it's probably been consistently at about 1.5 megabits per second. It jumps up like that, and bogs back down. The internet's not great, but this thing also is not the greatest either. Like, at least with this operating system, I think it needs less. I also think that swapping out the hard drive for an SSD would do it well. Probably just put one of the 128s in there and call it a day. not like this thing's gonna, get used for crazy stuff. I am considering though that after I download Zorin on here, trying to see if I can get WoW Classic to load. Damn it. This better not have interrupted it. I've never. Okay, cool. We'll see.
They went back to their country or whatever after they got their
dope
flying license. Oh, good. Okay. They were pilots.
Yes. So we're gonna enter boot mode.
Hey.
What? What are you talking about? Let me finish doing this.
No, I'm gonna go to bed anyway.
Okay, good night. USB storage device. Legacy boot. What does that fucking mean? Alright. Ooh, try or install Zorin. Yeah, yep. We're in. Almost. What that means is that flash drive works. I just don't know if that flash drive was the reason that it was so slow. Sorry. My, what? What that mean? Okay. What that means is, something wrong. So, I gotta turn this shit off and, we're gonna have to reboot with a flash drive. I know it works. Because, fuck that shit. Okay, so it's safe to say that this was the problem right here. So don't be buying no fucking flash drives off AliExpress. That was much faster. All right, we're gonna reboot and try this again. Okay, we're firing it up. Boot mode. Boom. Boom. Hey-o. Babe, I see your butt.
No!
You just made eye contact with me. Obviously, my eyes are gonna make butt contact with you. Oh, hey, I see you. Well, I'm not recording you. Oh, okay, we'll let this finish loading while I stare at her butt. Why are you putting that robe on? No. Take it off. Get in the blanket. Whoa, that looks pretty nifty. Ow, what the hell? That loaded quicker than Linux Mint did. Let's try it first. I guess it doesn't really matter. I could just install it. I mean, the worst thing gonna happen is I just gotta reflash that flash drive with some Mintalona and then re-download it. Oh, it comes with Brave? Oh man, I should have just installed it. What's this shit? Oh. This is nice. I like this. Okay. Yeah, I feel like this is even easier to navigate than what's it been called? Mint was. I just got to figure out how to get the internet going. There it goes. Okay, Wi-Fi. Give me 1 second. We've got interwebs. Let's see how quickly we can scale up to a 4K. Choose the new. Okay, something very secure, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, not 1, 2, 3, 4. That was quick. That That was quicker than Mint. Okay. They said it was glass, so I smoked it. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like our volume, everything here is as it should be. Taking a little longer to load the video.
I've been told that this new folding phone is the peak.
Turn this down.
The perfect point of perfection.
All right, auto's at 480, 720. Still moving good. 1080.
It's called the Find N6, and the
Start
crease is
kind of hopping through. Loads quick. Already doing better than Mint did. .1080p. Takes a little longer. Kind of takes a little time to resize and stuff. A little bit of I guess you could call that ghosting. I don't know. Oh, this is 1440. Okay, a little better than it seemed. Let's go to 4K. It's working. Oh. As soon as I move the mouse, though, it wants to kind of get choppy.
Ever since I was a little kid, I enjoyed
was charged with murder on the day of the killing.
taking everything apart and sometimes putting it back together again.
Yeah.
And hands down, the monthly KiwiCo Eureka credit.
Now age 42, he was tried
Bring it back down.
Would have been my favorite thing. Luckily for
No
me,
issues at
ROMs
1080p.
are still good for kids ages 2 to 100, which means I'm not quite out of the woods just yet. My wife and I.
You know what? Let's give it an install.
There are 90 different lines.
Screw it. Again, what's the worst that can happen with the white bit? Go through the process here. The desktop itself is slick. I like this desktop a lot. Taking a while though to load the installer. Also like this background. Okay. Makes noise when it starts. That's new.
in order to make sure Wissing could never murder a member of staff again. It was placed in a restrictive environment to make
Yeah, what the hell?
Wissing was transferred to
Oh, we haven't even seen if our touchscreen works. Oh, should we partition it? Yeah, let's try it. I haven't done that yet.
although Wissing was locked away for life, his
Mm,
crimes continued to affect the families of his victims.
It's been 25 years. I still love him, like it was yesterday. I miss his laugh, his hugs, just to feel summarized.
yeah, what the hell?
Whether it's going out to dinner, going to the park, or doing something.
I was warned it did say it would take a while, or could take a while. Now, I don't know if what I'm about to say is correct, but I'm pretty sure that the way this works is now it won't make using either one slower. Oh yeah, okay, our touchscreen works. It'll just be like using Zorin with a 500 or like 460 gig hard drive, and Linux with like a 500 gig hard drive. I think that's how this partition thingamajig is going to work. If I'm wrong, correct me, please. Oh, it did something. Okay. Sure, whatever that means. Do it. Old York. Zorinthian leather. Definitely not just the first four numbers of the number bit. We'll use the secure option of logging in automatically. And we'll let this do its thing for probably a while I go rinse my nuts off so they don't stink and my woman might touch them. All right, it's Dunzo Alonzo. They're gonna restart, and then I think it's gonna tell me to pull it out. I'm like you, right, babe? No, yep, pull it out, and then re-enter. Boom. Walmart. Oh, look at that. So this is our how our startup looks now. This is, we can go into Linux Mint, or we can go into Zorin. We're going to Zorin. That's what this is about. We're gonna see if it runs just like it did before we installed it, and see if partitioning the disk changes performance in any way, or if it works as I hypothesized a minute ago, where now I have two 500 gigabyte terabytes hard drives, and one is Linux Mint and one is Zorin. I could be wrong though, and this thing could run slower than my restroom breaks after a nacho cheese breakfast. I guess that could be quick too. Okay, booting up took about as long as it did when we did our first load from the flash drive. See how long it takes to get our browser moving. We got the right time now. Yeah, I'm gonna be impatient. We're gonna click it again. I mean, it could just be that it's loading up still. Boom. No. It had me do the keyring thing again. Alright. They said it was glass. Let's just go right for it. Oh wow. This is 1440. It's actually seemingly dealing with this better than it did before. I wouldn't say that partitioning the hard drive made it better or anything, but I, as of right now, can't say that it hurt. It took just as long, yeah. It loads. It's actually, no, it's still doing the thing when I move the mouse too much. Yeah. Okay, I want to see something.
One person who is not scared of however, is Ezekiel Al.
Oh, yeah. How to play. Wow. Classic. On Proton.
Ordered his gang members to set up a fake drug deal in a parking lot for Isidro Alba to attend. He turned up in his car, along with his girlfriend.
Well, I'm gonna tell you this, we're not gonna do this right now. But if I was gonna do this, because I'm not a gamer, I don't even feel like playing World of Warcraft really, I was just gonna try it. Maybe we'll do a thing on how to play BattleNet games on Linux. I don't know. But this is probably the way I would go. I would probably do the Steam plus Proton. If game runs poorly, switch. Oh no, I'd probably just do this. A script automatically handles wine staging and DXVK dependencies. Ensure you select the BattleNet version option during setup and use an empty directory for. That's the only thing is like using mainstream stuff on Linux. If you're like somebody who likes playing mainstream stuff, you might run into some issues. But if you're somebody who just uses the computer as a computer, I guess you could say, not as a game console, you should have no problems using Linux. We're gonna let this updates download and see what, see how long it takes, I guess, I don't know. And as you can see, our touchscreen, it still works. Yeah. And that's it. So, yeah, I actually think that Zorin runs smoother than Mint does on this piece of hardware, but everything works, everything runs smoothly, everything is responsive. I wouldn't call it the fastest computer in the world, but and it's cool because we got two different OSs on here. We could boot into Zorin or we could boot into Mint, so I didn't even have to get rid of Mint like I said it was gonna. Call me a liar, call me what you want, just don't call me small. I'm just kidding. I don't know. What? Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like Zorin. Let me know if you'll use it. Or tell me to go fuck myself. I don't care. But thanks for watching.